for northwestern Cobb, southern Cherokee, southeastern Bartow, and northeastern Paulding counties until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was over Ackworth, Oregon, 8 miles northwest of Marietta, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 40 miles per hour wind and heavy rain. Impact, expect minor damage to tree limbs and blowing around of light, unsecured objects. Heavy rain may cause temporary street flooding, especially in poor drainage areas. Some locations in the path of the storm include Marietta, Kenton, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Holly Springs, Emerson, Free Home, Buffington, Hickory Flat, Union Hill, Kellogg Creek, Lost Mountain Park, Oak Grove, Kennesaw State University, Little River Landing, George Washington Carver St. Park, Lebanon, Crossroads, and Due West. People outdoors should seek shelter immediately. Motorists should slow down and be prepared for possible loss of control due to hydroplaning. Here is